Hey class, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma gani to all of you. Welcome to today's class, and as you all know, this is your ICSE grade 10th and we are starting the topic circles. Right, so this is the first session and in which we'll be discussing all the theorems, and most important we'll be focusing mostly on the cyclic quadrilateral, which is a very important part of this chapter. Right, so let us start the class without wasting any more time. So once again, hi, hello to all my dear students over here, and don't forget to like this video and share the video with your friends. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe the channel as well. As you all know that we'll be getting these classes every day we are coming with new classes. So the first part is introduction. By what is a circle? As you all know, circle is a figure which is obtained by joining all the points in a plane which are at a constant distance from a fixed point in the same plane. That means, by suppose if you take a fixed point, that is your center. So this fixed point is center. Now all the points which are at a fixed distance, any fixed distance, which are at the same distance from this center, will all those points, if I'll take, so all those points are going to form this circle. So center of the circle, that fixed distance is called the radius. Okay, all the points, they form the circumference. Diameter is the line passing through the center and joining two opposite points of the center. Chord is any line joining two opposite points of the center. So remember, chord is a line joining two points of the circle. But remember, diameter is that line joining two points of the circle, but it must pass through the center of the circle. So diameter also is the largest chord. Diameter is the largest chord of the circle. Got it? Diameter is the largest chord of the circle, and also diameter is double of the radius. Diameter is equal to double of the radius, right? After that, so I have told you fixed point is the center, fixed distance is the radius, perimeter of the circle is called circumference, chord is the line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference of the circle, any 2 points. But if it is a diameter, it has to pass through the center as well. Okay, then there are two terms, concentric circles and equal circles. So concentric circles means all those circles which are drawn with the same center. Suppose these 4 circles, if you see here, they all have a same center in the middle. All the circles, they have the same center but different radiuses. That is called concentric circles. Okay, same center, different radii. Equal circle means simple, radius must be equal. So they are like congruent circles. So two circles will be congruent to each other if their radius are equal to each other, right? Then circumscribed circle. Circumscribed circle is, suppose if I draw any polygon, for example I have taken a triangle. So the circle which will be passing through the vertices of this triangle, all the 3 vertices of this triangle, the circle must pass through all the 3 vertices of this triangle, then it will be called the circumcircle, and center of that circle is called the circumcenter. Center of that circle is called circumcenter. What is inscribed circle? Inscribed circle is the circle which is touching the sides of this polygon. So this the inscribed circle will be touching the sides. So in circle is inside the polygon, circumcircle is outside the polygon. In circle touches the sides, circumcircle touches the vertices. Okay, let's move ahead. You need to remember these points, these properties you have already learned. So let us learn one by them. So first one is a line drawn through the center of a circle to bisect a chord is perpendicular to the chord. That means, suppose if I have a circle, okay, suppose if I have a circle like this, and from the center of a circle, if I join, this is a chord AB. Okay, let's say the midpoint is point C. C is the midpoint. So if I join O with C, then this OC will be perpendicular to AB. Okay? And the converse is also true. That means if I draw a perpendicular on a chord from the center of the circle, then AC will be equal to CB. So perpendicular from center bisect the chord, and if we join the midpoint of a chord with the center of a circle, then that will be perpendicular to the chord. Then greater the size of the chord, smaller is its distance from the center, and vice versa. Obviously, if the size of the chord is more, it will be more closer to the center. If the size of the chord is less, it will be away from the center. There is one and only one circle which pass through three given points, not in a straight line. That means if you have three non-collinear points, then there you can draw only one circle which will be passing through all those 3 points. That is what the theorem says. Okay, equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. That means if you have two chords which are at equal distances from the center, if this and this is equal, then the chords also will be equal to each other. Chords of a circle equidistant from the center of a circle are equal. If two chords are at an equal distance, then again they will be equal. So this is what? Converse of each other. These two are converse of each other. Equal chords obtain equal angles at the center. If two chords are equal, the angles obtained by them at the center will also be equal. Got it? That is what theorem says. The proofs of these theorems are very easy. They are simple proofs using congruency of triangles. Got it? Which you have already done. Arc and its types. So arc is a part of a circumference. What is an arc? Arc is the part of a circumference. So suppose if I take any part of the circumference, suppose if I take a CD. So if CD represents the minor arc, the remaining CAD will be representing the major arc. Okay, so any part of the circumference if you choose, if it is smaller one, minor arc, the remaining one will be called the major arc. The part which is less than semicircle is called minor arc. Okay, if a part is less than semicircle, then it will be minor arc. If it is more than semicircle, it will be major arc. Got it? Segments and their relation between arcs. A segment of a part is circle bounded by an arc and a chord. So what is a segment? A segment is, suppose if you draw a circle like this. Okay, if you draw a circle like this, then the area or the part of the circle which is between this minor arc and this chord will be called minor segment. Okay, and the part which is between the major arc, and the chord, that will be called major segment. Okay, angles in the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double of the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. This theorem is very important. What it says that suppose if you have a circle like this, and I have chosen a segment, suppose this segment over here. So this arc I have taken, this is the minor segment, okay, suppose. So whatever angle this minor arc is subtending at the center, whatever angle this minor arc is subtending at the center, the angle at the remaining part of the circle, somewhere over here, this angle, suppose if this angle is x, so angle subtended at the center will be double of it, 2x. Got it? And for the major arc, how it will look? Suppose something like this we have drawn. Okay, if I talk about the major arc, this major arc, so angle subtended by this major arc at the center will be this, and in the remaining part of the circle somewhere over here. So if it is equal to y, this will be double of y. Correct? Then angles in the same segment of a circle are equal. So if we have, I take any one segment, angles formed in the same segment will be equal because they both are going to be half of the same angle subtended by the arc at the center. So from this part we are getting the same relation. The angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Why? Because if you draw a semicircle, the angle at subtended at the center will be 180 degree. So angle in the semicircle is going to be 90 degree. So angle in the semicircle is 90 degree. These three theorems are very important considering the solution of the questions. These three will be playing a major role. Now cyclic properties. So first thing you need to understand what is a cyclic quadrilateral. So cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral inscribed in a circle. The vertices of a quadrilateral lie on the circumference of the circle. The quadrilateral is called a cyclic quadrilateral. That means suppose if I have a quadrilateral and we have drawn a circle in such a way that that circle is passing through all the vertices of this quadrilateral. That circle is passing through all the vertices of this quadrilateral. Then this quadrilateral ABCD will be called a cyclic quadrilateral. Will be called the cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. The points which lie on the circumference of the same circle are called concyclic points. That means A, B, C, D. Since they are lying on the circumference of the same circle, there so A, B, C, D will be concyclic points. ठीक है. अब the important property about the cyclic quadrilateral is that the opposite angles are supplementary. In a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles are supplementary. Supplementary means the sum is equal to what? 180 degree. So angle A plus angle C will be equal to 180 degree. Angle B plus angle D will also be equal to 180 degree. Got it? This is the property that we have learned. Now, how do you prove this part? How do you prove this part? So let's understand. Suppose if I have this cyclic quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Now, this arc is subtending an angle over here, and in the remaining part of this angle circle, the angle subtended is over here. So let us say this is equal to x, so this will be double of x, obviously, right? And then the remaining part, the remaining arc, let us say this major arc, this major arc is subtending an angle at the center is this much, let us say, and the angle subtended by this arc in the remaining part of the circle is this. So if it is y, this will be 2 times of y, because we know the angle subtended by any arc at the center is double of the angle subtended by it in the remaining part of the circle. Now at the center I can see this 2x plus 2y will be equal to 360 degree. Why it will be 360 degree? Because it is forming a one complete angle, right? So take 2 common, I can say x plus y is equal to 360 degree. So x plus y is equal to 360 by 2, which is 180 degree. X is equal to angle A, y is equal to angle C is equal to 180 degree. As simple as that. So this is how we can say the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Very important theorem for your grade. Got it? Okay. The next part is the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior opposite angle. That is, the exterior angle will be this angle BCE. So angle BCE will be equal to the opposite interior angle. So one interior angle is joined over here. The opposite interior angle is this angle. So this angle and this angle will be equal to angle D. How do we prove it? It's very easy. By first thing we know angle B plus angle D will be equal to 180 degree. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So I can say for sure that, sir, one thing I know, that angle ABC plus angle ADC is equal to 180 degree, because ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, cyclic quadrilateral. Second thing I can say that, sir, angle ABC plus angle CBE will also be equal to 180 degree. The reason is they are forming a linear pair. So both the equations are equal to 180 degree, equate them. So angle ABC plus angle ADC is equal to angle ABC plus angle, oh, I have written it wrong over here, na? CBE it is. CBE. This part is written wrong. CBE. Okay, plus angle CBE. You can see ABC to ABC got cancelled. So angle ADC is equal to angle CBE. Angle ADC is nothing but angle D is equal to the exterior angle. Okay, beta? Very easy theorem, very easy proof for it. So this is the exterior angle theorem for a cyclic quadrilateral. Got it? Now we'll be looking at some amazing questions. Okay. So how do you solve this part? Remember, in the given figure, O is the center of a circle. Okay. OAB and OCB are 30 degree and 40 degree respectively. Okay. Find angle AOC. अब देखो बेटा भाई, if I want to get the value of angle AOC, let us join this O with B. O with B. And then you will see AO, OB, OC, all three are equal to each other. So AO is equal to BO is equal to CO. They both are equal because they all are equal to radius of the circle. Correct? So if I look at the triangle AOB, I can say, sir, in triangle AOB, since it is an isosceles triangle, AO is equal to BO, So if this angle is 30 degree, this angle will also be equal to 30 degree. So I can say, sir, angle OAB is equal to angle OBA. Both will be equal to 30 degree. Similarly, the next part, if I talk about the triangle OBC, if this angle is 40 degree, OB and OC are equal, so this angle will also be 40 degree. Correct? So I can say, sir, in triangle OBC, I know that BO is equal to CO. So angle OBC is equal to angle OCB. Both will be equal to 40 degrees. Right? So from here, I can clearly get the value of angle ABC. Value of angle ABC. Angle ABC will be equal to angle OBA plus angle OBC. OBA is 30 degree, this is 40 degree, so overall this angle is 70 degree, right? You can see this angle is 70 degree. And I know one more thing, that angle AOC, angle subtended by any arc at the center, angle AOC will be double of the angle subtended by it in the remaining part of the circle, will be equal to double of angle ABC. So it will be 2 times of 70 degree, that is equal to 140 degrees. So angle AOC will be equal to 140 degrees. Okay? This is how you can get your answer. Next question. In each of the following figures, O is the center of the circle. Got it. Find the values of A, B and C. Okay. By first thing, if I look at the first figure, I can clearly say that this B will be half of 130 degree, the theorem which we know. So angle B will be equal to 130 degree divided by 2, that is equal to 65 degrees, right? And then I know this A, suppose if it is A, let's say PQRS, so it is a cyclic quadrilateral. So angle A plus angle B will be equal to 180 degree, right? Opposite angles of cyclic quadrilateral. Correct? So I can say, sir, angle A I don't know, but angle B is 65 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle A is equal to 180 minus 65 degree, and that is equal to 115 degree. That is equal to what? 115 degree. So this is how you will get the answer for A, values of A and B. For the second part, yeah, see, if this angle is 112 degree, let us say it is AB. So angle AOB is 112 degree. So remember, this angle C will not be half of 112. No, angle C is in this arc. So this will be half of the angle of this arc. So angle subtended by this arc is equal to this. What will be this angle? This is the reflex of angle AOB. So I can say the reflex of angle AOB will be equal to 360 degree minus 112, obviously. So it will be equal to what? 360 minus 112 will be equal to 260, 250, 248 degrees. Correct. So this angle is equal to what? 248 degrees. Okay. Correct. So now this angle C will be half of 248 degrees, which is equal to 124 degrees. So angle C is equal to 124 degrees. Got it? So I have told you the theorem is very important. Angle subtended by any arc at the center is double of the angle subtended by it in the remaining part of the circle. So here angle C was in this part. So remaining part, how much it is making the angle? So it is making 248 degrees. So half of 248 is 124 degrees. Got it? This is how this will be solved. Let's go for the next question. But before I move to the next question, let me tell you that whatever problems you are facing, wherever you are studying earlier, you will not face at Vidantu, because here at Vidantu, all your doubts will be taken care of in every session. Notes and assignments will be provided to you after every class. Test taken in a regular interval of time, that too according to your examination pattern. Competitive examinations like NTSE, KVPY, anything, no need to go anywhere else. You will get everything at Vedantu. Schedule, that is, suppose if you miss your class because of some reason, No need to panic. You can always watch the recording of that class and you can feel like you have not missed out on anything. This feature you are not going to get anywhere else. Okay, and the choice of language, that is Hindi or English, whatever is your preferred mode of communication. Other than that, you will get unlimited live classes. All micro and crash courses are free of cost to you. Micro courses are chapter specific courses, that is you can revise a chapter as many times as you want, you can study a chapter as many times as you want, and you can study the chapters in any order you want. And then crash courses, performance reports and personalized attention to everyone. Okay? The link to register is given in the description box, and also it is the pinned comment. Okay, the pinned comment you will see in the comment section. In that also the link is given. Just go to that link, apply the coupon code GPE Pro to get 20% off. Okay, beta. Let's go for the next question. By next question is saying, in the given figure given below, find angle BCD, ADC, ABC. One more thing, these arrows shows that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, just to tell you, no, otherwise it is given, but since it is not written here, I am telling you these two arrows means these two lines are parallel. So by first thing I can say कि sir angle A and angle C will be supplementary, right? So angle A plus angle C will be equal to 180 degree. Why they are supplementary? Because they are opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Yes sir, correct. So angle A I know is 105 degree, angle C I don't know, is equal to 180 degrees, so angle C is equal to 75 degrees. Correct, angle C we have got. Then I can say angle A and angle D will be interior consecutive angles, two parallel lines, right? So angle A plus angle B will be equal to 180 degree. The reason is, sorry, angle A plus angle D, interior consecutive angles. So I can say angle A is 105 degree plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. You got angle D is equal to 75 degrees, right? And then if I know angle D as 75 degree and angle C as 105 degree, now angle B I can again get by interior consecutive angle. Angle B plus angle C, oh sorry, this is 75 degree. Angle C was 75. So angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. Angle B I don't know, but angle C is 75 degree is equal to 180 degree. So you got angle B is equal to 105 degree, right? You can clearly see all this. So it is equal to 105 degree. So angle BCD is 75, ADC is also 75, ABC is 105 degree. Correct? This is how you will get your answer. Okay, this is how you will get your answer. Let's go for the next question. Acha, before I go for the next question, one thing I would like to tell all of you, that as you all know that Vedantu is a student centric platform, and for that reason this part, as you all know, that Kaun Banega Crorepati is around this season right now, and Vedantu being a student centric platform has also been a learning partner for KBC as well. So you will get an opportunity to sit in the front seat of, or the hot seat. Okay, so for that what you need to do is you need to download the Vedantu's app, and over there you have to start playing the V quiz. When you will be playing the V quiz and you will be getting more and more marks over there, you might get a chance, an opportunity to be shortlisted for KBC as well. To know more details about it, how to register, what to do, how can I go there, all those details you will get once you download the Vedantu's app. Okay, so let's go for the next question now. Question number 4 is this: angle CAB is 75 degree, angle CBA is equal to 50 degree. Find angle DAB plus angle ABD. अब in these questions now always focus which angle sum they are asking. Okay, so they want me to find out angle DAB. So DAB, that is this angle, plus angle ABD, this complete angle. Yep, correct. So yaar dekho, to get this sum, it is not necessary to get their individual value. I need to find out the total sum. So you will see that, sir, in triangle, this triangle A, this is B, huh? This is B, this is D. So in triangle ABC, I know the value of two angles, this as well as I want to find out the value of these two angles, angle DAB plus angle ABD. So if I get to know what is the value of this third angle, I can easily find out. That. So my main aim is to get the value of angle ADB. My main aim is to get the value of angle ADB. Okay. अब देखना बेटा, how do I find the value of angle ADB? But you understand first thing. Let's look here carefully. So angle ADB I need to find out. Okay, sir. For angle ADB, beta, what I saw, sir, angle ADB, this angle I need to find out. Okay, and I saw ki, sir, this angle and this angle will be equal to each other because these are the angles in the same segment. And I can see in triangle ABC, I know this angle is 75, I know this angle is 50, so I can clearly get the value of angle ACB, right? So I can say in triangle ABC, I can say that, sir, 75 degree plus 50 degree plus angle ACB is equal to 180 degree. So 75 plus 50 is equal to what? 125. So angle ACB is equal to 180 minus 125, which is equal to 55 degrees. So if angle ACB is 55 degrees, angle ADB also will be 55 degrees. So angle ADB is equal to angle ACB is equal to 55 degrees because they are angles in the same segment. Which segment if I am talking about? So think of this AB as a chord. You will see ACB and ADB both are in the same segment, right? So now I can say कि sir, I wanted angle DAB plus ABD na. So for that, let us talk about the triangle ABD. So in triangle ABD, I can say, sir, angle DAB plus angle ABD plus angle B plus angle ADB will be equal to 180 degree. I know angle ADB is equal to 55 degree. So DAB plus angle ABD plus 55 degree is equal to 180 degree. So you got angle DAB plus angle ABD is equal to 180 minus 55, that is equal to 125 degrees. So it is equal to what? 125 degrees. Okay, beta, this is how it will be solved. Okay. Now again, one very important information for all of you, that Vedantu students have bagged top ranks in IIT JEE examination. So if you are also thinking to prepare for your IIT JEE for the next year, you all have a wonderful opportunity at Vedantu. This is the results of the superstars in IIT JEE rank. Okay, these are all the faces you can see, and your name can also be here as well. So we have 5 in top 50, top 500 students, 11 in top 1000, 44 in top 2000, 121 in top 5000, and 253 students in top 10,000. That too, one online education platform. So you can see how Vedantu is achieving all the milestones, and all of you are more than welcome to join the Vedantu's courses. ठीक है, next question देखो बेटा. Question number 6. In a cyclic quadrilateral ABCD, angle DAC is 27, angle DBA is 50, and angle ADB is 33 degree. Calculate the value of angle DBC. DBC, where is DBC? So this angle I need to find out. अब देखो, this angle finding out is very easy. If I think of this DC as a chord, so this angle DAC and this angle DBC both will be equal because they are angles in the same segment. So I can say, sir, angle DBC is equal to angle DAC, which is equal to 27 degree. First one solved, right? Let's look for the second one. Second is angle DCB. Where is angle DCB? DCB, this angle. Okay, chalo, let me erase this part for here. Okay, let me erase this part. And yes, what information we know? We know this angle is 27 degree. Might be useful. I want to find out the value of angle DCB. DCB means this angle I need to find out. Correct. This angle I need to find out. Okay, sir. Now try to think that how this DCB we can get, how we can get the value of angle DCB. So by first thing I can say कि sir, if I take this AB as a chord, then this angle ADB, if it is 30 degree, by that same logic this angle ACB also will be 33 degrees. Correct? So I can say sir, angle ADB is equal to angle ACB, which is equal to 33 degree. Okay sir. Second part, if I take this AD as a chord, then the angle subtended over here, angle ADB, angle ABD, which is 50 degree, same, this angle will also be equal. Angle ACD, this will also be 50 degree. So I can say sir, angle ABD is equal to angle ACD, which is equal to 50 degree. So now I can clearly say it, sir, my angle DCB will be equal to angle ACD plus angle ACB. Angle ACB plus angle ACD, angle ACB is 33 degree plus 50 degree, which is equal to 83 degree. Second part also solved. Third one, angle CAB. Where is angle CAB? Angle CAB. This angle I need to find out. Angle CAB. Okay. It can be found very easily. Yeah, I know that angle C complete. If I look at this ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. If I look at this ABCD, so ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. So I can clearly say sir, angle A plus angle C will be equal to 180 degree. That is opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Correct? Up now angle A, I don't know. This angle A means this complete angle A. So this complete angle A I don't know, but I know this complete angle C is equal to 83 degree. And DCB is 83 degree, is equal to 180 degree. So angle A, let me write it somewhere over here. Angle A is equal to 180 minus 183, 180 minus 83 will be equal to 97 degrees. Now angle A, this complete angle A is made up of two parts. One is angle DAC plus angle CAB is equal to 97 degree. Angle DAC, this angle is 27 degree. So 27 plus angle CAB is equal to 97 degree. So angle CAB is equal to 70 degrees. Got it? So this is how we have got all three parts. First one, directly angles in the same segment are equal. So all these three, I'm writing the reason, same reason. Angles in the same segments are equal. Got it? So this is how all the three values of these angles will be getting. ठीक है बेटा? Next question देखो यार. Next question. Prove that the parallelogram inscribed in a circle is a rectangle. Prove that the parallelogram inscribed in a circle is a rectangle. So suppose if I have a rectangle, both the proofs are very similar. Suppose if I have a circle in which I have this parallelogram. Okay, let us say ABCD. ABCD is a parallelogram. I know beta, since ABCD is a parallelogram as well as it is a cyclic quadrilateral as well, inscribed in a circle, so it is a cyclic quadrilateral also. First thing I can say, angle A and angle C both will be equal because these are opposite angles of a parallelogram. In the parallelograms, the opposite angles are equal. So if angle A is x degree, this is also x degrees. Second thing I can say, sir, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree because they are also opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Correct? So x plus x is equal to 180 degree. So you'll get x is equal to 90 degree. So if in a parallelogram any one angle is 90 degree, I can say ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle because A and C has become 90-90. Angle A and angle B are supplementary to each other. Sorry, angle A and angle B will be supplementary in a parallelogram. So ये भी 90 हो गया. This is 90 and opposite angles are equal. So all the angles have become 90 degrees. So it is a parallelogram. Similarly, again same pattern in rhombus also. In rhombus also opposite angles are equal. Since it is a cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angles will be supplementary. So you will get angles 90 degree. It will also be a square. So both the proofs can be done in the same manner. ठीक है बेटा, this is how it will be solved. Now this question I am giving you as your homework question. Do let me know how do you solve this question, how will you answer this question, what will be the answer for this question, and let me know the answer for this question in the comment section. ठीक है बेटा, I would like to hear from all of you what will be the answer for this question. Now, as I was telling you earlier that the link of for the registration of Vedantu subscription is given in the description box, and also it will be the pinned comment in the comment section. After going there, just select your grade 10th, ICSE 2021, and then click here on get subscription. After that, you will have an option to choose from 1 month, 3 months or 6 months. Whatever you choose, first thing is whatever price is shown over here, don't forget to apply the coupon code GPE Pro, because this coupon code will give you directly 20% off, and this coupon code is applicable for 1 month as well as for 3 months as well as for 6 months. The benefit if you take the more number of months is your price per month will be reduced. Also, this price is not only for maths, it is for all your major subjects: maths, physics, chemistry, biology, SST and English. So all these subjects will be taken care of in this price for 1 month, for 3 months and for 6 months after applying the coupon code. ठीक है बेटा, so link is in the description as well as in the comment section. GPE Pro, apply the code, get 20% off. All of you are more than welcome to join us at Vedantu subscription. ठीक है बेटा, so this is all in this part. Cyclic quadrilateral, remember, a very important part for your this chapter circles. ठीक है, do practice all these questions and do let me know what will be the answer for the homework question as well. This is all from my side. Thank you so much बच्चों for coming to the session, and I hope all of you enjoyed the session as well. Practice these questions. These questions are amazing questions, very important for your examinations point of view. I'll see you soon in the next class. Thank you so much. Till then, bye bye, sayonara, khuda hafiz to all of you. Bye bye.